panoramic view of the King Abdullah campus of the AJK University, which is one of the unique valley in Chittablas, and it's a newly established campus, and you see the panoramic and a beautiful view of the buildings, the hostels, the guest house, and the number of the other departments. So this is a floral view as well as a panoramic view of this new campus. There was a very chronicle devastating earthquakes in 2005, and Forestrians collapsed the herbarium, but the herbarium of AKASH have a great plant specimen, so that is the complete record was safe during that earthquake, and now it is the only reference material of this herbarium AKASH that the data is safe. Today we are honored that we have a Dean Faculty of Sciences, Professor Dr. Muzafarabad from AJK University, Muzafarabad University, and this is the new campus, King Abdullah campus, that is established by the AJK University. We are also honored with Dr. Tariq Abid. He is a renowned taxonomist of AJK Muzafarabad Botany Department. We are in the herbarium of AJK, that is called as AKASH herbarium, which is a recognized herbarium by Index Herbarium, that is the international organization that registered the herbarium of the worldwide. AKASH is the only herbarium from AJK who is digitizing the herbarium data, and Dr. Tariq is with us. Dr. Tariq, tell us about how much plant you have to digitize nowadays.
Thank you so much. AKASH herbarium has started digitization project in 2019, October 2019. And after that, despite of the COVID-19 pandemic condition, Alhamdulillah, AKASH herbarium has established, digitized more than 1,500 plants on open herbarium. And we are also one of GBIA data providers from Pakistan after ISL.
Yes, it's a wonderful contribution of AKASH herbarium. It is the only herbarium after ISL. Qaeda University is the only herbarium AKASH that has digitized about 1,500 specimens, and these 1,500 specimens are mainly collected from the AJK, Azad Jammu and Kashmir, which is one of the richest hotspot biodiversity. So they are also a contributor of the GBA project with Qaeda University, and the Open Herbarium, that is a joint venture of Qaeda University and AJK, that is AKASH herbarium. These are the BA students who are playing very important roles for the making the herbarium sheets, herbarium specimens for this herbarium, and we are hoping that this newly established campus, King Abdullah campus, and we will see in coming years a number of the specimens, and we are thinking that Dr. Tariq Abid and Professor Dr. Muzafarabad and the Botany Department will make a catalogue of the vascular plants of the flora of Kashmir. So this herbarium will be enlightened with a number of the specimens in future coming years, inshallah. Herbaria are basically the institutions that conserve the data, that conserve the specimen for the future history of the botany and biology. So the herbarium play a very important role for conservation of the plant biodiversity. Here you see the pteridophytes, here you see the iris, that's a very important medicinal plant from AJK. Iris iridaceae family, that's also the crocus tribe also belong to this family. It's the 1953, the very old specimens, and these are the pteridophytes, are latest specimens collected by the AKASH staff and students. Another important specimen from Buxus that is also collected was 2019, and these are the specimens that you see. The AKASH herbariums are the digitized specimens by the GBAF project.
Here we have few specimens collected round about in 1952. The primary collectors from Azad Kashmir. The personalities mainly involved in that one were Chaudhry Jan Muhammad and Abdul Rashid Khan. The personality whose name was even mentioned by Stewart in his annotated catalogue as well, are in history of botanical exploration in West Pakistan and Kashmir. The few ones who are mentioned over there were collected from this region after partition. We have the collection of those personalities and this No doubt.
So, according to Dr. Tariq, it's a wonderful contribution. It's a very old specimen of this herbarium that was collected before the independence of Pakistan. Soon after Pakistan
Partition.
partition.
Muhammad and Abdul Rashid Khan's collection is about 1400 plants of these two collectors are there. Maximum more than 900 of them are digitized. Rashid Khan का है, वो जान मोहम्मद का है.
Here you see these are the two oldest specimens in AKASH herbarium that is collected by the John Muhammad. He's a renowned field collector of this region. And John Muhammad, that was a parrot. That is the parrot who collect a number of the specimens in the field, and about 14 or 1500 specimens that was collected by John Muhammad for the AKASH herbarium.
These herbarium specimens are basically donated from Forest Institute Research Division at the time of Earth Quake, 2005. During that devastating earthquake, the herbarium of Forest Department was collapsed completely, and unfortunately, the specimens which we have today, alhamdulillah, they were recovered by Malak Galandar, my cousin. He was officer there in Research Division. No doubt, he was the basic man who developed my taxonomy itself. So he donated these specimens to Botany Department for future.
Here you see these are the students of the BS Botany program, and they are doing a wonderful job regarding the preparation of the herbarium sheets. Mostly the plants are collected different parts of the AJK, and AJK is the richest arts part, and it is the part of Himalaya, and we are also part of the Pan-Himalaya flora, and hopefully in coming years this AJK AKASH herbarium and the Botany department will play a very important role for digitization of the flora of Kashmir, and the team that is working in the Botany department of AJK hopefully play a very important role regarding the herbarium specimens, digitization, and further enlighten and enrich the herbarium of AKASH. And they collect the specimen from the field, they identify in the herbarium, and then they make the herbarium sheets for a future reference. These young guys, students who are very much interested for the collection of plants from various parts of the Kashmir, because they get a knowledge about the medicinal plants, economic uses, non-timber forest products, and a number of the other ethno-medicinal plants and ethnobotanical plants. So this is another important aspects of the plant systematics and biodiversity, that the botanists, when they are field, they get a knowledge about the utilization of the plant as well. And these uses that they are documented from the local people, that is called as ethnobotany, may lead towards the developmental stages like the pharmaceutical industries, cosmeceutical industries, and number of the other commercial and marketable plants as well as a trade medicinal plant that are lead towards the development of the industry for the pharmacy, for the medicine, for the honeybee, for the fodder, for a number of the other uses regarding the collection and documentation of these uses. And you are the part of our project, and you are the only herbarium AKASH from Pakistan and AJK who is going to digitize this herbarium data. So you are the basically partner of this project, and we are looking that your professor and your botany department, dean and chairman and all of KC hopefully get funding from GPF in futures to digitize the flora of Kashmir, because we are entrusting that the botanists, the students, the experts from this Kashmir may develop a catalog and an inventory of the flora of Kashmir, and basically add the different plant, new species, new reports from this AJK region, which is one of the hotspot regions, to aid the flora of Pakistan, the flora of AJK, and looking forward to work with you inshallah in future. And hopefully we will see a number of other good projects on herbarium, biodiversity, because plant taxonomy is the basic to all the botanical sciences. You will correctly identify the species, we will do the phytochemical analysis, we will do the molecular genetics, DNA sequencing. All these fields basically use the material that is collected by the plant taxonomists and botanists. Here you see these are the plant specimens. They are collected as a part of the assignment by the courses like taxonomy, vesicular plants, and each student collected about 40 specimens from different localities. So every student has a diverse collection of the plant specimens. And these are the BS students who are also involved for the collection of the plant specimen. basically to enrich the herbarium of AKASH. Here you see that the students are basically interested for the collection of diverse species as well as the diversification of their uses. Their experts, their professors may guide the students how to collect the plants, how to preserve these specimens, and how they are digitized in the herbarium for the future references. So hopefully this episode is very useful for us from the Campus University, that we get information about your AKASH herbarium for digitization, your plant project and future projects. Thank you so much.